Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are well. Okay, student. Today we are today date is 7/8/2020 and we are doing the book we have completed the book exercises of chapter number 10 and what we are doing the question answer of the chapter. So short answer question we have completed and now we are doing long answer questions. So student, please take out your rough copy, take out your book, rough copy, and you note down the answer from the board. Is it clear? You note down the answers from the board. So question number E, answer the following questions. Question number E, answer the following questions. So student, we are doing question number E, answer the following question, and we have completed question number 1. How can we keep our house clean? So how can we keep our house clean, student? We can keep our house clean. First point, sweep and dust our house daily. Keep things in their proper place. Throw garbage in covered dustbin. Throw garbage in covered dustbin. Okay. And use pesticides and disinfectants to control pests. And one more point, that is put wire mesh on doors and windows. So student, this is your answer number 1. Now note down the second question. Now note down the second question. How is question number 2? How is a permanent house different how is a permanent house different from a temporary house? So student, your question is, how is a permanent house different from a temporary house? So you have to write the difference between a permanent house and a temporary house. Is it? So first of all we write about permanent house, and after that we write about temporary houses. So note down. Temporary house. Okay, see, So in this question, student, we have to write in other sense. You can take this question in this manner also. You have to write a difference between a kacha house which is found in villages area and permanent house which is also known as a pakka house, which is also known as a permanent house. Is it clear? First of all, note down the question. Temporary house, write the first point. Kacha house, also known as temporary okay. Stop the video. So student, note down the first point. Kacha house is also known as a temporary house. So student, here why we are saying that, see, these houses cannot move from one place to another. Whether it is a, even I already explained you when I explained you the chapter, these houses cannot be shifted. But here, why in the category here I have written kacha house in temporary? Because the materials from which we are making the kacha houses, that is mud, straw and wood, due to the material, it all the time it required repairment. ठीक है, ये हाउसेस उतने स्ट्रांग नहीं होते हैं, इनके रूफ भी क्या होते हैं, बहुत ही, इनके रूफ इतने स्ट्रांग नहीं होते हैं कि आप फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे सेकंड फ्लोर बना सको, और हर समय इन्हें भी रिपेयरमेंट की जरूरत होती है. दैट इज द रीजन वी पुट कच्चा हाउस इन अ टेम्परेरी हाउस. अदरवाइज these houses are like caravans, houseboat, हाउसेज ऑन व्हील्स, जो मैंने आप लोगों को कारवांस पढ़ाया था, टेंट, these are temporary houses, okay, they can move from one place to another, but these houses cannot be moved, but their material which is used to make these houses, we have to regularly change the material because they are made of straw, सूखी घास ये से बने होते हैं. तो ड्यू टू इन रेनी सीजन एंड हमें क्या रेगुलर जो फ्रॉम द थिंग्स विच from which these houses are made, we have to change this thing regularly. That is the reason we put kacha house in temporary, but it cannot be move from one place to another. ठीक है, जैसे कारवांस के केस में आपको बताया था, हाउस बोट्स थे, टेंट्स थे, they can move from one place to another. Is it clear? But these are made of the material which we have to change regularly, रिपेयरमेंट इनकी करनी पड़ती है. इज इट क्लियर? सो यू कैन राइट कच्चा हाउस इन टेम्परेरी हाउस आल्सो. इज इट क्लियर? इट कैन आल्सो बी आस्क्ड इन द एग्जामिनेशन इन सच ए मैनर, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ए कच्चा हाउस एंड पक्का हाउस. सो नोट डाउन, कच्चा हाउस इज आल्सो नोन एज टेम्परेरी हाउस. Okay, from the book also you can note down the question. Okay, so student, I rub the first point and then I will write second point. Okay, note down. Second point, and where you see these types of houses, जनरली आई टोल्ड यू सी टेम्परेरी हाउसेज इन विलेजेस एरिया. ठीक है, मोस्टली हाउसेज हमको कहाँ देखने को मिलते हैं? विलेजेस एरिया. दिस हाउसेज कैन नॉट बी शिफ्टेड, बट द मटीरियल विच इज यूज टू मेक दिस हाउसेज, दैट इज द रीजन we can put this into a temporary house category due to the material which is used for making these types of the houses. Is it clear? This is the second point where you will see these types of houses. So student, temporary house is found in villages. These types of houses you will found in the village area. These types of the houses you will find in the village area. Now note down the third point. Temporary house is made up of mud, straw, and wood. So what is the third point? Temporary house is made up of mud, straw and wood. It is made up of mud, straw and wood. That is a temporary house. Okay. This house cannot you shift from one place to another, but the materials which are used for making, इन हाउसेस को जो मटेरियल यूज होता है बनाने के लिए, इसलिए इनको कच्चे हाउस को टेम्परेरी कैटेगरी में रखा गया है, क्योंकि ये बहुत ज्यादा समय तक आप इसमें नहीं रह सकते. हमेशा आपको रेगुलर इसकी क्या करनी पड़ती है? रिपेयर करने पड़ते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? और इन द अदर हाउस, अगर एक बार आप परमानेंट हाउस बना लो या पक्का हाउस बना लो, तो सालों, कई सालों तक वो हाउस क्या, वो बहुत स्ट्रांग होते हैं. दे आर मेड ऑफ सीमेंट, ब्रिक्स, स्टोन्स, आयरन रॉड्स. सो वंस यू मेक ए पक्का हाउस, इट कैन स्टैंड फॉर मेनी ईयर्स. वो बहुत सालों तक ठीक रह सकता है. इज इट क्लियर? उसको इतनी रेगुलर रिपेयरमेंट की जरूरत नहीं होती है. ठीक है, क्योंकि इस हाउस में क्या है, देखो बड़ी बड़ी सूखी घास यूज हो रही है, मड यूज हो रही है. एट द टाइम ऑफ मानसून, जब रेनी डेज आएंगे, बहुत ज्यादा बारिश होगी, तो ये हाउसेस क्या है, डैमेज हो जाते हैं. ये हाउसेस क्या है, डैमेज हो जाते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? और roof is made of the straw. That is the reason you will see lot of water come inside the house also from the roof. Roof क्योंकि strong नहीं है, that is the reason lot of water come inside the house also. So we have to, we put this into a कच्चा हाउस, into a temporary house category. Is it clear? लेकिन अगर शिफ्टिंग की बात होगी तो दिस हाउसेस कैन नॉट बी शिफ्ट. ये नहीं है कि इस हाउसेस और ये हाउस है, वेदर इट्स ए कच्चा हाउस, जैसे मैंने तुम लोग को बोला था, वेदर इट इज ए कच्चा हाउस और वेदर इट इज परमानेंट हाउस, इट डजंट मैटर, बट दे कैनॉट बी शिफ्टेड. अगर आप कहीं जा रहे हो तो अपने हाउस अपने संग नहीं ले जा सकते, लेकिन आपके टेंट हैं, कारवान्स हैं, ओके, हाउस बोट्स हैं, दिस हाउस बोट्स हैं, इट मूव इन वाटर. टेंट, टेंट आप कहीं भी लगा के रह सकते हो. ठीक है, तो दैट्स अ डिफरेंस. नाउ लेट्स राइट अबाउट द परमानेंट हाउसेस. ये 3 डिफरेंस रख लिया बेटा टेम्परेरी हाउसेस के. In the copy you write in this manner. Here you will write temporary houses, then draw one straight line in the center, and here you will write a permanent houses. In this manner you complete in the copy. In the board I am writing in this manner. You draw one line. One side you will write temporary house, and one side you will write permanent house. Note down. Now we will write what permanent house. First point, note down. Permanent house is also called house is also called pakka house. So another name of the permanent is also permanent houses. Student, permanent house is also called pakka house. Permanent house is also called pakka house. After that, okay, first of all note down this point. Then the second point, permanent house are mostly found. This type of houses, where we see these types of houses, these type of houses are mostly found in cities areas. शहरों में मिलते हैं ऐसे घर. ठीक है. So permanent house are mostly found in cities. Note down, this is the second point. Permanent house are mostly found in cities. First point is permanent house is also called a pakka house. Is it clear? Next, permanent house are mostly found in cities. These houses are mostly found in cities area. Is it clear? Now note down the next point. That is point number 3. That is point number 3. These are made up of cement, bricks, iron, even steel rods are also used. Okay. So what are the material used for making the pakka house? material used for making the pakka house are these are made up of cement, bricks, iron, steel. You can write sand and stones also, but only four things I have written and I put here extra. Is it clear? If you forget to write steel or iron, then you can add a sand and stone, because I have written extra. Extra means some more things are used for making the pakka houses. Four things are enough for you. These are made up of cement, bricks, iron, steel, extra. Complete this. Now, the last question of the book. Name the factor required for a good home. Next question, note down. Question 3. Name the factors required. Name the factors required for a good house. Okay. Name the factor required for a good house. So whether it is a kacha house or pakka house, it doesn't matter. There are some factors which tell us that your house is good. Okay, so I have already discussed with you. वेंटिलेशन होनी चाहिए हाउस में बहुत बढ़िया. इज इट क्लियर? सेफ्टी होनी चाहिए और क्या होनी चाहिए? क्लीननेस होनी चाहिए. ओके, सो नोट डाउन द आंसर. Factor required for a good house. Good house are. First one, ventilation. मैंने बोला था ना, there should be plenty of doors and windows inside the house. A good house should have plenty of door and windows that allow sunlight and fresh air to come. Okay, ventilation. First point is ventilation. A good house should have, okay, a good house should have plenty of door and windows. So what is the reason for that? Reason is that so that the sunlight and fresh air enter inside the house. Is it clear? So ventilation, a good house should have plenty of door and windows that allow sunlight and fresh air to come in. Is it clear, student? Note down this point. After that, same answer. Note down the second point. Second point of the same answer. Safety. You can make a, it is not a new answer. Okay, is it clear? I am writing the same answer. Safety. A good house must have strong walls. Walls मतलब क्या होता है? दीवारें. जो हाउस की दीवारें होती है ना, उनको walls बोलते हैं. Is it clear? Have strong walls and a roof. ठीक है, रूफ किसे बोलते हैं? छत को. Is it clear? And a roof which protect and a roof to protect from heat, cold, rain and strong wind. Is it clear? This is the second point. Note down. Safety. A good house must have strong walls. ठीक है, मजबूत दीवारें होनी चाहिए. And a roof, छत, to protect from heat, cold, rain and strong wind. Is it clear? Note down one more point. That is point number 3. Cleanness. A clean house is a A clean house is a healthy house. Is it clear? We must clean our house regularly. Okay, this is the last point of this answer. Cleanness. A clean house is a healthy house. We must clean our house regularly. ठीक है, हाउस आपका क्लीन रहेगा तो आप भी हेल्दी और फिट रहोगे. And that is the reason we should clean our house regularly, or you can say daily also. Is it clear? Thank you, student. Have a nice day.